What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking L. We're doing the last break of the night. It should be a quick one. 17-18 Black Diamond. Nice stuff. We're live. Good luck. 4 times under random. We'll do it for our teams. 1150 in Newfoundland. We got Jay, 2 Besser, and Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck. Good luck. Start with teams. 1, 2, 3. Will be a timestamp. And of course, as you guys know, if you hit Minnesota in this break, you get the benefit of also being in Las Vegas. So you get 2 for 1. 2 for 1 deal. 1151 and 1151. Last and final random on the teams. So remember that Minnesota's also getting Las Vegas. 4 timestamp there. Is that 1151? 1151. We got Washington on the top spot. LA, halfway mark. And then Ottawa to Carolina. There's your teams. Time to do the names. 1151 still. And we got Jay down to Besser. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 1151. 1151. Last and final random's going to do it for us. Timestamp on 4. 1152 and 1152 it is. Ian, top spot. Curtis, halfway mark. Washington to LA. And then we got Nathan to Jerome. All right, let's check them out. We got Ian, Washington. Jay, Jay, Columbus. Chris Miller, Edmonton. Brady, Colorado. We got Josh with Toronto. Philly. Mike is Islanders, Tom, Montreal, Mike Jarrett, Minnesota, Besser, St. Louis, Curtis, Pittsburgh, Tony, Chicago, Chris, Nashville, Scott, Arizona, Curtis, LA, Nathan is Ottawa, Jay, Florida, Pierre Paul, Rangers, Kerry, Anaheim, Alex, Tampa Bay, Jay, Winnipeg, Edward, Boston, Ian, Buffalo, Mike, Dallas, Damon, New Jersey, Besser, Detroit, Jake is Calgary, Patrick is San Jose. Justin Miller is continuing his hot streak. He's Vancouver. And Jerome's Carolina. There's your teams. We're live in 5. See you then.